Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is 2911 Homestead and I'm Chris. So today I'm going to go over the things that I keep in my ballast box. So this is my ballast box. This is the ballast box from Vivor, and I have, I think, about 7 bags of concrete in it. Not sure exactly how much weight is in that, but it has a hitch receiver down here at the bottom, and I have a extension hitch in there with a upper, because I also sometimes put the hitch hauler on there to make it so I have more like a pickup truck kind of thing going. And then I keep this all-in-one hitch in pretty much in there all the time. It did come with 2 tool holders that are there, and I added a third with this piece of I think it's 3-inch PVC. So I have that. I also added a chainsaw holder from Vivor in there, just in case I ever need to have an extra chainsaw. And then the other thing I did was bolt 2 ammo cans. These are from Harbor Freight, and in each of them I put this one I think has nothing right now. Has some this one has some shackles in it, and they come off pretty easily, as you can see, but they just are able to, if I can do this right. It's hard to do this one-handed, but I will get it. I'll put that back on. Usually I keep the choker chain, which right now is on the tractor up there. I also keep a chain in there, and then I have what I keep in the tool holders is a pick. I have an axe. I have one of those tamper pull things that's got the spade, or got the flat end on the bottom, and then it's got the rounded tamper on the top. I keep a big piece of pipe as some leverage, and a cheater bar, and then I keep a shovel, and then I have this rake on there because we are moving a lot of wood chips around. So that's what I keep in the Vivor ballast box, and that pretty much stays on the tractor most of the time when it's here in Georgia, because we don't have a lot of need to have any 3-point attachments here at the farm here in Georgia. We mostly use all the front end attachments here. So we just went over what we keep in the ballast box on the TYM, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.